Once upon a time, you see, in a strange land not far away, I met perchance a little bee.
Albinuța Maia.
Upon a most unusual day. And when I asked who she was, she told me, Maya, no other bee could ever be like Maya. Maya, why you question me? Why is no answer for a bee? My, she's always in a pretty pickle, Maya, helping someone else's little Maya. Maya, everyone loves Maya. Maya, Maya, Maya.
Competiția de ridicat greutăți.